Maintaining healthy skin involves a combination of factors, including a balanced diet, proper skincare routine, and lifestyle choices. While supplements can be beneficial, it's important to remember that they should not replace a healthy lifestyle and skincare practices. Here are 5 supplements that are often associated with promoting healthy skin. 1. Collagen. Collagen is a protein that provides structural support to the skin, helping it maintain elasticity and firmness. Supplementing with collagen peptides or hydrolyzed collagen may help improve skin hydration, reduce wrinkles, and promote overall skin health. 2. Vitamin C. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in collagen synthesis. It helps protect the skin from oxidative stress, supports wound healing, and contributes to a brighter complexion. Taking a vitamin C supplement can help maintain healthy skin and boost collagen production. 3. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil supplements, have anti-inflammatory properties and may help improve skin health. They can help reduce inflammation and promote a smoother, more supple complexion. 4. Vitamin E. Vitamin E is another antioxidant that helps protect the skin from damage caused by free radicals. It supports skin healing and can help improve the appearance of scars and stretch marks. Vitamin E supplements can be beneficial for maintaining healthy skin. 5. Zinc. Zinc is an essential mineral that plays a role in many bodily functions, including skin health. It helps regulate oil production, supports wound healing, and may help reduce acne breakouts. Zinc supplements can be helpful for individuals with acne-prone skin or those with zinc deficiency. It's important to note that individual results may vary, and it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new supplement regimen. They can provide personalized advice based on your specific needs and help you determine the appropriate dosages for optimal skin health. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what videos you want to see next. Your support and feedback mean the world to us. See you in the next one. Take care.